I'm glad I'm doing this now and not in the snow. I'm really glad about that. And like I say, I don't think I've ever taken this one out of the package. We'll just see what we got going here. I thought I had plenty of room in the garage, and we're just going to have to kind of make do here. And when I store these, I'm going to store them the same way in the plastic bag and stuff. Get all these out nice and straight, you know, so you don't get it all messed up. The last thing you want is to be all messed up like that, like this one already is. In the snow. Let's just see what's happening here. I don't think okay, there we go. Like that. Like that. Okay. Okay. Remember, you're going to be in the snow when you're doing this. So you might want to take a plastic bag with you, you know, a big leaf bag, one of the black plastic bags. You can set it down here so your pants aren't going to get all wet and get sopping wet. Okay, so now I'm going to push this in. I got it all nice and straight. Okay. Go. Get it all nice and straight. Oh, I think this red bit, see this red hook I want on the other side, remember? So all of that is going to go that way, like so. Come out this way, like that. This still in here. So that looks pretty good like that, huh? Yeah. So let's see here. Oh, you know. I don't think I had it lined up right. Got caught underneath the tire already. I think I had it right the first time. I shouldn't have overlapped it. See there? That goes like that. I think I messed up on my chain initially. Why did I do that? Let's just see here. And the last thing you want is to have it all messed up. See how I got it overlapped like that? It tells me I had it right to begin with. Sheesh. Okay. Come on. I'm making a mess of it, aren't I? How did that? How did I do that? I want this all lined up. The chain down here. See my gold chain. You know it needs to be down here towards the end. And I've got it looped wrong here. What did I do? See, I would hate to have this like this when you're out in the snow trying to get this all lined up. And I've really mucked it up, haven't I? Because this goes around that way somehow. Not sure what I did. Okay. Okie dokie. There. You see? You see what I got so far? That's what I want. It's like that. Look at this. It's all lined up. I think you can see that. You see? Here I've got the cable to the outside. These are all folded down, coming down, not overlapping like I just had it. And then the gold is all on the inside. Okay, now I can get it under there. I just have to be careful. I want this red on the other side. So this is about the center right here. Yeah, that would be kind of tricky to do all this in the snow, huh? That's why we're doing the trial run in the garage. That's why. Okay. Okay, we got that about situated, like so. That chain's there. Here's the red hook. Okay, remember, I'm going to take this end and this end and lift them up and hook them together. Okay. Just like that. And I hooked it right there. It just fits in that little groove. And now I can where I had that, now that goes to the back side of the tire, that whole plastic bit there. Okay, before I do it too far, I want to make sure I come over here and I hook this up like that. And if I have enough room, I can hook it on the second one. Let's see if I can. Okay, got that like that. Now I can start repositioning this to a certain extent, making sure that chain is kind of in the middle, so this gold is kind of wrapped around on the outside. Like that, so I know this has to come over a little bit. Okay. Here I've got this, and I'm going to take my red chain and pull it in there as tight as I can and loop it in, and there's a little slot on there to keep it on there. So see, slide it on there, slide that over as far as you can, like that. And I can't really, maybe I can pull that closer here, like so. Okay, loop that in through the red, like so, like that. Take it on that one, like so, this, I'm gonna hook this over here, like so, okay? Now, I'm gonna pull forward. I'm gonna pull forward a little bit. Get my car key fob. Pull the car forward where it was. Remember, 15 feet if you can. Right? Here I'm in the garage. I can only go up about 4 feet or so.